looked in the Pontiac and remember that it is a tank for the coolant. You see here, it was loose. The screws have been fallen out. Was lying in the tank. And now, of course, how can I put this one in like that? So I have to think about that, but I have bought some plastic welding tools. If I heat up this enough, then I should be able to get it to go into the plastic again, I hope. It seems like it has been stuck from inside. So first I have to just clean up this tank and see, and then I have to decide how I can get this to work again. The tank is very dirty, so just to see if I have something to can clean up some of it. Yeah, at least I cleaned it up a little. It's a little better than it was. You see here the plastic is broken here and here. Have to be fixed. I have to get the screws or similar screws or some similar size to sit there in some way. These have been coming from the inside and out, so you have to see, because this have to be completely tight so it's not getting pressure out there. Overflow pressure should go out on the top there. Yeah, of course those don't have to be completely tight since that is open. That is just open hole. Okay, so you don't have to be vacuum completely. But I need to get the screws to sit, to stuck there. So I have to see. I have to go and look for my heater system and see if I can maybe use that to weld up the plastic here too. Didn't I get video of this? I put a bolt with a metallic plate like this, a washer, that I was pressuring in the backside into the broken up parts. Then I put a new washer and a screw, and I was able to hold it back in and tighten them together. So now this is sitting. But now I was thinking, when I get it through the other, I can use that one. But I need a plate, a washer again here. And I need to weld up this plastic, so I need to get a longer electric cable. I have bought different things, but I bought a welding gun. It was meant for welding plastic. Or is I haven't tried it, as you see. Completely new. Different sizes. Let's see. There, okay. Light up. Red, so it was green just a second ago, so maybe I need to heat it up more. There's some plastic pieces here. I was just trying to put in some plastic, I was thinking here. Still it's red, but I'm just trying, you know. Just trying to fill in the plastic. See it start to be blue on the metallic here. It's not perfect. This seems to be, and you need some experience. Also have some opening here. I think it should start to be so filled up that it shouldn't leak out things here now. Actually, I think this should start to be filled up. so it shouldn't leak any special. I have the screws, so hopefully it can move it in. Yeah. The first test of this welder for plastic. I bought a set with a lot of different things. But bigger and smaller of that. Also more tools. Yeah. Let's put that one somewhere and cool down. The set it was coming. Metallic plates. Many different sets of plastic. Scratching. A different tool for, maybe this one would have been just as good. This one, bigger areas, bumpers and things. But for the moment, it's just this was important to try to get the fix. I'm going to test it with water and we'll see. But my idea of putting in the screws like that and things should be working. Yeah, it's a new day. I'm sorry my battery died yesterday when I was testing the tank. But now I have, let's take out this. I put it in. I couldn't wait any longer yesterday. See if I can see screws in here. Yeah, you see them. On the back side or inside the tank you have the bolt with a washer on the inside. And the washer and a new screw on the outside here. Not screw. I can't remember the name. And then a new washer and tighten the wings nuts. A nut here, sorry. Washer and a nut and screw together as you see. And washer again and wing nuts. Then that close it onto the place. In the bottom it's supposed to be a screw. I have one pipe coming down here that I don't know where it's coming from. It's a cooling pipe from something. There's a lot of things that we don't know. All the climate on the heat and cold inside the car is disconnected. So it's just bullshit inside. At least now tank is hanging on. I tested it with water and the places I welded, plastic welded, that was broken up on them, those are good. Around the screws is leaking a little, but all this is far higher up than what the water level are supposed to be. So everything start cooking. Yeah, it will come out something in between here before it start to drain on the top. For a moment I think that is okay. It's a lot of other things that need to be fixed in here before do anything more with that. Yeah, I was managing to get this tank back where it's supposed to be. With a little creativity and some plastic welding. So that's good. I have to try to start looking at the automatic transmission also when I get time. I have some other things I have to do before that. So, but please follow the channel. You can see other Pontiac videos on more than 700 and a lot videos. And also this is August, so we have this weekend we have hot August night in town, a lot of car meetings, and also it's next weekend I think it's a Japanese car show in town. So I hope to get some videos out there, and I hope to get more done on the cars. I had to try to put together suspension on my boy's Celica. I'm just trying to put in something, and we can now test that one. Yeah, so please put a like, please follow the channel, and welcome back.